Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. And I'm here today with, one of my favorite makeup brands. I just got a little box in from Tarte. This is the second one I've gotten recently. They had their friends and family sale, so I was able to get 35% off everything. So I took advantage of that and picked up some things. So that's what I'm going to share today. So let's get to it. Okay, friends, first of all, I want to thank you for being here. I appreciate your support so much. You can support my channel by subscribing, hitting the like button, leave me a comment. All those things are appreciated so much, so thank you for that. And I'm just going to get this box open here. It was sealed pretty good. So we'll be able to see together what we have in here. So, okay, this box is a little different than some of their other ones. So I love the pink, how they do the pink and green inside. I've got purple tissue in here with what we've got. And so we're just going to open this up and see what we have in here. Normally they send bigger boxes, but I do have several items. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. And so the first thing I'm going to share, I'm just going to go along the lines here of what I have in here. The first thing I got, this is a magic makeup remover, and I love this. This is a sample, well, travel size is what they call it. I have the big one. They have really big ones, and I love it. I use it. What I like most about it, I know this is crazy, but for a micellar water, let me see if I can, okay, so this one's different. Okay, this one just has, where you can, wet. Anyway, there it's coming out. The big one has a pump, which I love. You just put your cotton swab and you just pump it and it goes onto the cotton swab. So I was hoping the small one would have that too. I really looked close and it looked like they did, but they don't, but that's okay. This is a really good micellar water, so it does cleanse your makeup. I do use it. I use the big one. In fact, it's probably my favorite micellar. So anyway, that's that. The next thing I have in here that I got was the Amazonian Clay Gem Powder Foundation. I was really curious about this. It's a powder foundation. I'm hoping the color works for me. There we go. It's got the rose gold lid with the leaves indented on it. I love their leaf look. And it has a puff, and then there's the color. I'm excited. I'll probably put this in a try on video with some of my new makeup or makeup I shop my stash want to try anyway, because I'm actually really excited to use this. So it was a little more expensive product, and so it was kind of nice to get it with the 35% off. So that's my second product, and that's what the box looks like. And then my third product, I got the Maracuja Juicy Lip Plump Gloss. And let's see, I also got the lip tattoo. Let me show the lip tattoo first, and then we'll do the gloss after it. Now this, I got the color Cinnamon Spice. Now I did just do another Tarte haul, and I did get this in the rosy kind of pink color, so I wanted to try. I'm into the Cinnamon Spice color right now. So here's it just has a gloss at the bottom, and then it has the brush right here. It's kind of a felt tip, and you just outline your lips, and there's the color. Loving that. Love it. It's like the perfect, can go with a nude or pink or anyway. So I'm excited about this. I do like this product. These have staying power. I just barely put this on and it's not going anywhere. So anyway, I recommend that product. And then I got the, let's see, Lip Plump Gloss in Mixed Berries. I have no idea why I picked this up. Because I think I have some of these, but I think this might actually be different. So it's just a lip plump gloss. That's what it says. Kind of looks like it might match what I have on. I might just try a little bit over. I think these are can go with the, it has the same kind of a, it doesn't have a doe foot. It's like a brush. Feels very cool. So anyway, I like the feel of this. I really do like it, actually. And then, so the last two products I got, I'm really excited about these. I got two different colors, but they're looking about the same on here, so I don't know. What I got is a Smolder eyeshadow liner, and one is a Smoke Show Mauve, and the other one is the other one is Sultry, which is a bronze. So here's the Sultry bronze. Let's see what these look like. Okay, it comes with a, I'm gonna go from the top here. It comes with a pencil sharpener right here. And this is, so it's, here's what it looks like. That end, and then you've got this tip right here. So anyway, I don't know. I was really excited to try these. These were a little pricey too, but so with the 35% off, that made it worth it to me. I couldn't decide on colors, so that's why I went with two. And the mauve, let's see. The mauve looks, well, here's the mauve right here. It doesn't look very mauve to me. The bronze is right here. They're both really similar. So the bronze is the darker one, the mauve. So it just kind of supposed to give you a smolder eye. I'm going to see if I can do anything with, I already have makeup on. I'm actually wearing makeup from my, I just shared my Ipsy, icon box for the month of August, and love all the makeup. I do have all the makeup on. I got a ton of makeup in there. So anyway, that's what I'm wearing. I did kind of already do a look under an eyeshadow under here, but I'm just gonna see if this, okay, I just did this in the corners of my eyes. I think I'm gonna like it though. I think I'm gonna like using this. I liked to kind of go do the corners of my eyes here with shadow or something different, and I think these are going to be perfect for what I want to do with that. So anyway, let's see. It says dermatologist and ophthalmologist tested. It's waterproof. It's so I'm excited. It's waterproof too. So I mean, like I said, they were a little bit more pricey, but with my discount, it was worth it. So I'm excited about these. So, yeah, I think these are new to Tarte. So these are kind of exciting. And, anyway, so basically I have I got the face, powder foundation, so I'm excited about that. I got the two smolder eyes, the eye pencil in bronze and mauve. I got the micellar water in a travel size, my favorite one. Love it, love the look of the package. It's really fun. So there's that. And I got the Maracuja Maracuja Juicy Lip Plump Gloss. So, and I love the feel of it. It's very cool. It doesn't hurt. There's no pain whatsoever. It's just very cooling. So I really like that. And then I got the Tattoo Lip Liner. So anyway, those 6 items from Tarte with my 35% off. When Tarte has sales, they usually have pretty good sales. I also have my VIP, which I get a lot of bonuses from, and I get money off. And their VIP program is awesome. So with Tarte. So if you like Tarte makeup, I would buy it through Tarte because you get a lot of bonuses and stuff with their VIP program. So anyway, that's it for this little haul. Hope you liked it. Please leave me a comment if you have any questions or any comments you want to give me. That I appreciate that, and I do appreciate your support. So thank you so much for that and for being here, and I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.